Hey, Mr. Spina.
Hey, what are we doing today?
So, January 25th, here's what we worked on today. We had our class meeting. We're in a new Goosebumps book.
Yep.
Here's the video talking about figurative language. We did a little activity in our book. There is a part that you should be finishing in that, the last little section. Everybody logged in and did their teacher-assigned figurative language lesson. If you're one of the people that didn't finish it, I yelled at you. So make sure you log in. You got to do that at some point today. Your social studies, geography, and then submarines. You're going to read and respond. We could always practice Achieve 3000. That is reading for today. Math, we're talking into going into estimating and decimals and how we can find reasonable answers by estimating. Everybody should be logged in right now. There is an iReady practice that we're working on today for adding whole numbers. That's just a very, very basic review of what we're hitting today, but it will help. The season of science today, we're going to talk about some activities from the book, and then you have your assignment for the food chain. We're shooting this in the middle of the day, and you're probably going to see it at the end, so we haven't really got about this, but they'll have their assignment to do here. Lunch recess. Now, something new that we have, Mr. Spina, is our homework.
Yes, that's good.
It's very, very, very important. This whole week, it's going to for sure be all math this week, but then next week it might be reading. And here's how it goes. You have to click in and watch our video because the math practice problems are in the video. There's nowhere else to find the math homework except in this video. So what you need to do is when the video plays, it is Mr. Spina or I, and we'll say, okay, here's number one, and we'll read it, and then we say, pause the video. And that's where we want you guys to solve it, see if you can understand. Then you play the video, and we'll give you the explanation. So yes, it is true. After you're done watching the video, you should have all the answers to the homework that you submit in Canvas. But you have to do the work because this is you self-checking yourself, right? This is your accountability. You can just watch the video and copy down the answers if you want, but that isn't going to help anybody.
Not going to learn anything.
Take your time. In this first video, I read number one and then I say pause it. Then you get your answer. Then you can watch the answer. Now, if you got it wrong, change it. If you're totally confused, this is when you email us and say, I'm totally confused about number three, because then we can help you. So this is almost like our homework is going to almost be like a mini lesson where you check yourself. Also, if you had problems with our last week's Show What You Know, I did a video where I answered all the questions. So you can look back at what you got on that and see the questions you missed. And then you can watch this video and look for the explanation of the question. Or just watch this video to review, because this video right here is half of what's going to be on our monthly test that is next week. Mr. Spina, anything else you'd like to add in?
No, it's just this week we're working a lot on that figurative language, so make sure you're up on it. We're going to take a lot of notes. We're going to do some foldables. And the math, like Mr. Sponklin just said, we're going to be working on decimals. We're going to be watching videos. Watch either one of our videos to go ahead or you should be watching all our videos to make sure that you're up on everything. And we're ready to go. It's another exciting week, Mr. Conklin. I'm excited, ready to go.
Yes, we'll see everybody tomorrow.
See you later.